This is a video on using factoring to find a limit. The question states, find the limit analytically. So we want to find the limit as x approaches 2 of 3x squared minus 10x plus 8 divided by 5x squared minus 8x minus 4. Our first step always in finding a limit is to plug in. So if we plug in 2, I get 3 times 2 squared minus 10 times 2 plus 8 divided by 5 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 minus 4. And when I do the arithmetic, I get 0 over 0. If we didn't get 0 over 0, then we would just say that's our limit. But because we have 0 over 0, we need to do some algebra. The algebra I need to do is to factor. So in particular, if you don't like factoring when we have a number in front of the x squared, there's a little trick we can use. And that's a theorem from algebra that says if plugging in a number gives you 0, then x minus that number is a factor. And we got 0 in both the top and the bottom. So what we can say is that the top is equal to x minus 2 times some other factor, and the bottom is x minus 2 times some different factor. And then we just think about it. What do I have to multiply x by to get 3x squared? Well, that's 3x. And what do I have to multiply negative 2 by to get 8? And that's negative 4. And similarly, to multiply x by something to get 5x squared, I multiply by 5x, and to multiply by negative 2 to something to get negative 4, I'm going to multiply by 2. So what I get is x minus 2 times 3x minus 4 over x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. So now I can cancel. I can cancel the x plus 2's, and I'm only allowed to do that when x is not equal to 2. And that's one of the magical things about limits. When we take a limit as x approaches 2, that means x isn't actually equal to 2, it's near 2. So we can really say that these are equal because x is not equal to 2. So now I can just use that algebra and rewrite the limit as x approaches 2 of the reduced fraction, and that's 3x minus 4 over 5x plus 2. Now I can plug in. So as soon as I've canceled, I plug in. And when I plug in, I get 3 times 2 minus 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Minus 4 is 2. Over 5 times 2 plus 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 2. So I get 2/12, which reduces to 1/6. So my limit is 1/6. And I'm done with the problem.